She's getting ready to have another baby. I walked in after she had this one little stink, but I can see her pushing. She's getting ready to have another one. I wonder if there's anything hanging out there. I don't want to hurt her. She's going to have another one here in a minute. You watch. Oh, it's so cute. Hey, Mama. Yuck. Okay. We're not going to watch her lick the blood up. That's disgusting. She's pushing again. But she's got her butt hid, so I can't see them. Oh, there she goes. She's pushing. Oh my goodness, I have never seen a cat give birth before. Oh, it's okay, honey. Push it out. Oh, it's okay. Hey, Mama. I'm so afraid that kitten's going to get in her way of pushing. I got to let it be, though. Oh, she's so pushing. Oh, I know. Oh my goodness, there it is. There's the other one, baby. Yeah. There's the other one, Mama. Yeah, get it out. Get it out, honey. Oh, I don't know if I should move this kitty. Oh, God. I don't know what I should do. Oh, my word. Oh, it's moving already. Oh, she knows just what to do. She says, I know what to do with you. I'm so afraid that other one's getting in the way. That one's big. Come on, move, baby. Move, baby. The update cat just made a squeaking noise. She's waking her up. Come on, Mama. Get her awake. Wake her butt up. Come on. Oh, lick her face. Let her know you're there. Come on. Come on, Mama cat. Come on, baby. Yeah. No, you don't pay attention to the camera. Pay attention to your babies. Come on, wake it up. Pay attention to the baby. There you go. There you go. Turn around there and get her. Get her awake. Alright, she's blocking our view now. Hold on. There she's moving. She's waking up. Yeah. Come on, Mama. Get 'em clean. Get 'em clean. Wake her booty up. Make her eat. Say, come on, baby. Say, come on, baby. Oh, yeah. Have you got any more in there, I wonder? Oh, goodness. I've got another one, honey. Oh, push, baby, push. Oh, come on, don't hide it from us. I'm not going to move her or nothing. She knows where she needs to lay to push this baby out, so I'm just here to observe. Okay, I can't see her face. Or his, whatever it is. Boy or girl. They don't know yet. Come on, wake him up, Mama. Oh, there he is moving. Yeah. I want to call it a him, even though I don't know.